and I myself am a fruity personality, so I need that in my perfume. Hey guys, welcome to another video that you wish you didn't click on. Today we're continuing our journey of becoming high class by learning perfume notes. I don't know how people expect me to smell good in this quarantine when I can't even go to the store and smell a perfume before buying it. Luckily, I have a lot of samples that I got from Sephora previously, so we're gonna go ahead and learn those perfume notes so when quarantine ends, we're gonna come out smelling bomb. Let's get started. So our first perfume is called No Made by Chloe. And I know a lot of people love the Chloe perfumes. I've only smelled one. It was their, I think it was just called Parfum. I'll put the name here in case I'm wrong, which I probably am. And if I'm gonna be honest, I did not like it. It was just rose on rose on rose on rose. This one, it says warm floral, so I'm feeling a little bit hopeful. Keynotes are oak moss and Mirabelle liqueur. I feel like it's just pronounced liquor, but we're trying to be a little bit more French on this channel. No Maid L'Eau de Parfum is the essence of a free-spirited and confident woman, taking inspiration from her experiences and encounters throughout the world and asserting who she is. The intense mineral character of oak moss is enveloped in the voluptuous softness of a Mirabelle plum. From this freshness emanates a bright floral note carried by freesia. That description captured the perfume very well. What I'm getting is just a balance. There's some floralness to it, but at the same time, there's just a touch of sweetness from that Mirabelle liqueur. And there's also this freshness to it, and it isn't too overpowering, but it is assertive. So if you are an assertive woman who wants to have a nice day perfume, which can also be transferred to night, it's a nice one. Next up, we have Burberry Her. This one I actually wanted to buy when it first came out because I liked it, and now it's been about a year since I last smelled it. I'm excited to see if I still like it. It's the embodiment of the Londoner attitude, adventurous, spirited, and bold. A vibrant, fruity gourmand capturing the spirit of London. Red and dark berries meet a floral heart signed with jasmine over an addictive and sensual musk amber base. This bottle is luxurious yet understated. Okay. Let's see. This time I probably read it a little bit weird, even though there weren't any hard words, because my entire picture went blurry and I can't get it into focus. It's a screenshot, so I don't understand why it's blurry. Oh, I can smell the berries. Love it. So, I feel like I'm beginning to see when they use the word sensual, it sort of means that it's lighthearted in a way, in the sense that it isn't overpowering. How many times am I going to say in the sense? I smell the berries. They are the main note, so that makes sense. There's a little bit of flower in there as well, and the musk comes through nicely. They're actually doing really well with these descriptions because I agree with all of them. They said a Londoner attitude, adventurous, spirited, and bold. That's exactly what I'm getting. This isn't for somebody that's going clubbing. This isn't necessarily for those nights. It's more for the days when you're being adventurous. But the question is, would I still want to buy it? And the answer is no, because I feel like it's a touch too similar to the Flower Bomb. It's a lighter version of the Flower Bomb, in my opinion. Next up, we have Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs. So looks like today we're just continuing down this floral trend, and this one also has some blackberries, so I'm kind of hoping that it's a little bit similar to the Burberry one. Light and airy, Daisy Dream captivates with its delectably fruity and floral personality. From the first hints of blackberry, fresh grapefruit, and succulent pear, Daisy Dream draws you in with her easy charm and an irresistibly feminine mix of jasmine flower, lychee, and blue wisteria. This fragrance lingers on the skin, drying down to a dreamy finish of white woods, musk, and an inclusive hint of coconut water. Wow, everybody loves coconut water, so that very last hint at the end of coconut water could make this perfume a bestseller. It's nice, but it's a bit too powerful for me. I'm smelling too much flower, not enough blackberry, and too much woodsy vibes. They mentioned a fruity and floral personality. All I'm getting is the floral personality. And I myself am a fruity personality, so I need that in my perfume. Once you're done smelling it, it still lingers, like that sort of strong base is still there, which I kind of like my perfumes once I'm done sniffing them to like kind of balance out and gently fade into a nice soft base. I don't want them to just like keep going strong for my entire smelling duration, if you know what I mean. And last but not least, we have Tom Ford Ombre Leather. I'm expecting this one to be very strong since it's Tom Ford and just have a lot of things happening. So let's see what we get. The tactile sensuality of rich black leather, textured with addictive patchouli and vetiver, envelops like a second skin. The perfume's floral notes of jasmine sambac conjure wild dessert beauty, while layers of amber and moss mimic the heat of rock and sand. Kind of feel like this description could also be placed into a National Geographic show or something because we got lots of rocks, some sand. By the time that I'm finished filming these videos, I really hope that I have some killer arms because it feels like for half the video I'm just shaking my arm out here. Wow. They really captured the smell of leather. This honestly just smells like a leather jacket with a hint of patchouli. I personally wouldn't wear it, but you know, if you're someone who loves leather jackets, then it's all you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video.